Hey there. Have you ever wondered why some movie titles have those big letters like X, V, or why your clock has those mysterious letters instead of numbers? Well, today we are diving into the fascinating world of Roman numerals. This number system, developed by the Romans over 2000 years ago, uses letters to express values. Sounds cool, right? Let's explore how it works. Now, let's learn about the basics of Roman numerals. At the heart of Roman numerals are 7 basic letters: I, V, X, L, C, D, and M. Each of these letters represents specific values. For example, I equals 1, V equals 5, X equals 10, L equals 50, C equals 100, D equals 500. M equals 1000. It's important to remember that there is no symbol for zero in this system, which is quite different from what we're used to in our daily math with the Hindu Arabic numeral system. Rules for writing Roman numerals. Now, let's break down how to actually write these Roman numerals by following some simple rules. Rule 1. Repetition rule. When a letter is repeated, you add its value each time. For example, I is 1 plus 1 plus 1, which equals 3. But here's a fun fact. You can only repeat a numeral 3 times. So, while I is fine for 3, you can't use it 4 times for 4. Instead, we write it as V, which is 1 before 5. Rule 2. Addition rule. If a smaller numeral comes after a larger one, you add the two values. For example, in the numeral L is 50 and X is 10, so X equals 60, which is 50 plus 10. Rule 3. Subtraction rule. Conversely, if a smaller numeral appears before a larger one, you subtract its value. For instance, in C, which is 100, comes before D, which is 500, so it means 500 minus 100, which equals 400. Rule 4. Bar rule. Lastly, if you see a line over a numeral, it means that the value is multiplied by 1000. For example, a bar over V would represent 5000. Conversion between Roman and Hindu Arabic numerals. Now that we know the rules, let's talk about the conversion between Roman numerals and Hindu Arabic numerals. To convert a Hindu Arabic numeral to a Roman numeral, break it down into parts. For example, let's convert the number 72. First, break it down. 72 equals 50 plus 20 plus 2. Next, convert all parts into Roman numerals. 50 equals L, 20 equals X, and 2 equals I. Lastly, combine them all. So, 72 becomes L, X, I. Now, let's do the reverse. Say we want to convert X, I back to a Hindu Arabic numeral. First, identify values, X equals 10 and I equals 2. Second, add them up, 10 plus 2 equals 12. Therefore, X, I is 12 in Hindu Arabic numerals. Now, let's practice with some more examples. Convert 45 to Roman numerals. First, break it down. 45 equals 40 plus 5. Next, convert. 40 equals X, L, because it is 50 minus 10, and 5 equals V. Lastly, combine. X, L plus V equals X, L, V. Let's look at another example. Convert 789 to Roman numerals. First, break down. 789 equals 700 plus 80 plus 9. Next, convert 700 equals D, C, C, 80 equals L, X, 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 and 9 equals I, X. Lastly, combine D, C, C, L, X, 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 I, X. Now, for converting Roman numerals back to Hindu Arabic, let's say we have C, D, X, L, I, V. First, break it down. C, D equals 400, X, L equals 40, and I, V equals 4. Next, add 400 plus 40 plus 4 equals 444. So, C, D, X, L, I, V equals 444. And there you have it. We've explored the world of Roman numerals, learned the basic letters, and mastered the rules for writing and converting them. So the next time you see those letters on a clock or movie title, you'll know exactly what they mean.
We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures, and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on EduRef to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 5. Thank you